Samsung has just pushed out a substantial update to its Game Booster app, introducing a host of impressive enhancements aimed at elevating your mobile gaming experience. This latest release, identified by version number 7.0.51.113, appears to be laying the groundwork for the forthcoming Android 16-based One UI 8.0. It delivers at least 8 brand new features, and in this video, we'll break down each one in straightforward terms. Once you've upgraded to the newest version and launched the Game Booster app, a welcome screen will appear featuring a fresh addition called Max Boost. While Samsung hasn't provided an official explanation for Max Boost, it's likely built to unleash your device's peak performance during gaming sessions. This could enhance gameplay fluidity, though Samsung cautions that it might increase battery usage or slightly warm up the device during high-intensity play. Beyond the welcome screen, you'll access all your existing Game Booster configurations. Among them, 2 completely new options appear: Respawn Timer and Game Sound. The Respawn Timer is particularly useful for fans of Battle Royale and multiplayer shooters. When your character is downed and waiting to return, this feature displays a floating countdown on your screen. It shows precisely how long until you're back in the action. Moving on to Game Sound, this offers 3 distinct modes: Sound, Mute, and AI Mute. The first 2 are self-explanatory. Either allow audio playback or disable it entirely. However, AI Mute is where things get interesting. It intelligently detects what's happening on screen. For instance, if you're on a menu screen and not actively gaming, it automatically silences the audio to minimize distractions. When gameplay resumes, it restores sound. This smart capability helps you stay immersed without unnecessary background noise. Now, let's explore the Reorder Tools section, where 3 more innovative features have been introduced: Dash Notifications, Super Microphone, and Voice Changer. Dash notifications are designed to keep you informed without diverting your attention from the game. Instead of popping up in the middle of the display, incoming alerts glide across the screen from right to left in a semi-transparent overlay. You can even fine-tune their speed and opacity using sliders, making them customizable to suit your preferences. Next is the Super Microphone, which proves beneficial if you're using the mic in another app while gaming. Typically, games struggle to access the microphone if it's already active elsewhere, but this function ensures the mic remains available during gameplay. There's also an option to enhance the audio quality of Bluetooth microphones, which are often less clear than your handset's built-in mic. Now for something fun: Voice Changer. This lets you modify your voice with various effects while gaming. Want to sound like a young girl, a robot, a sci-fi villain, or even a baby? You can choose from 10 available filters. It's a great feature for protecting your identity or simply having a laugh during in-game chats. Samsung has also hinted at a few additional features included in the update, such as Game Controller, Virtual Gamepad, and 4D vibration. However, these do not yet appear to be active in the app. Once they become available, we'll take a closer look and keep you informed with a full breakdown. Now here's a crucial point. This update might not be accessible in all regions at the same time. For instance, when we checked the Galaxy Store on our Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Edge units in India, the update hadn't arrived. This implies Samsung is rolling it out in phases depending on region. To explore the latest features, we manually installed the updated app on our Galaxy S25 running One UI 7.0. However, we advise against sideloading apps from unofficial sources, as they can pose security threats or contain malware. It's always safer to wait for the official rollout. Once it lands in your area, just head to the Galaxy Store and check for updates under the menu. Now here's something intriguing. On our Galaxy S25 Ultra operating the beta version of One UI 8.0, we discovered an even newer Game Booster version, 8.0 UGO 0.15. Curiously, this version lacks the new functionalities introduced in 7.0.51.113. This suggests that Samsung is still in the process of refining features and may introduce changes incrementally. In summary, this Game Booster upgrade packs a wealth of gamer-friendly tools. Whether you're seeking enhanced performance, fewer interruptions, intelligent audio handling, or